Hey guys, Teacher Shanaya here. I know we're all stuck in this quarantine and not able to go to dance or school or anything. So I just wanted to teach a hip hop combo to you. It's really short and I'm limited on space and I know you guys are limited on space. So I figured why not choreograph something easy to do in little space, and maybe it will help you guys get off your butts and still have some fun. I would love to see you guys video this and post it to your channels and tag me. I love those when you tag me. This combo is Enemies by Malone. I will post the combo choreography on one video, and then on the other video I will post me dancing to the song so you can go reference that in case you need it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Let's do this. So first thing we do is we wait for the chorus. We're gonna pass the chorus and we're gonna go to the first verse. And there's a beat and it's ba-bum. So we're gonna go ba-bum. And then as we come down, so we just do a small jump, ba-bum. You can even just raise your toes. I know you can't see my feet, but just go up, down, or jump. Okay, so you can go bum-bum. You're gonna throw this hand down and step out, boom, ha. This is your right hand, push, and right leg. And up, you're gonna snap your body to the side. Your hands are here, snap it to the side. You're gonna go click, click, boom. And then on that last one, you're gonna do a head roll, and you're gonna push back into a lunge. So my right leg's going back. So my right leg's going back, and I'm gonna drop the neck. I'm gonna pull it up together, and then I'm gonna swivel, swivel. So it looks like this from the side, but my shoulders are just dropping, dropping. Swivel, swivel, and then on the third one, I'm gonna go down. We're gonna do a cool dude walk, okay? So it's like a fake walk, and when you fake walk, you just kick, step together, kick, step together. And so it kind of gives that chill vibe, right? So we're gonna do our wrist in and then open. So we're gonna do in, open. Sorry, I keep putting my hand here, but just leave it to your side. So in, open. On the last one, he says like ha ha ha, like he's talking about laughing. So you go boom, back, boom, boom, drop, snap. You're back here. So then you're gonna pick up your mouth and you're gonna go boom, tight, and it goes blah, blah, blah. So you're just gonna go blah, 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 and stop on the third one. So you're like blah, blah, tight. So make sure you could be loosey-goosey here, but make sure it tightens up right here. Then you want to snake it down the body. So you go blah, 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 snake it down, and then we're going to step quickly, tight, 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 throw. Okay? So this one's a little awkward because it's just like tiptoe, tiptoe, throw. Okay? Tiptoe, tiptoe, throw. You're going to roll and roll. So I go to the left, then the right, then this one pikes up, and I snake, and then I clap down to the back. This one, he says like mom, or your mom or something. You just hit this to the back. Boom. So boom. You're gonna waddle 1, 2, 3, 4. So as I do this, my hands are twisting and my knees are just going open, 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 open as I turn around. Okay, so I'm going ha, pop. Then look over the shoulder, ha. Okay, then he says something about loves or heart. So you're gonna grab your chest, twist hard. You're gonna throw it in the air. And when you throw it in the air, you're gonna kick out with your right foot. So you go throw, drop. You're gonna pull it back on the right foot. Back, in, head, down, snake down, and up. Okay, so then he says something about, like, the music slows down on this body roll, so you're like slowing it down. Then you bring it in, clack, 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 clack. So I said right, in, left, in. Then he says swallow my pride. You're gonna swallow your pride, spit it back out and say sorry. Then he speeds up his talking, and when he does, you're gonna go right, or you're gonna go to the left. So bop, pop. You're gonna swing it around your head and drop, and then you're gonna do the cool motion walk again, and a click, and a click, and a click, and a click. And that's the end. So let's put it all together really fast. The music begins, you wait the chorus, and the verse starts. Bum, bum, throw, ha, tight, click, click, and throw, back, tight. Click, click, drop, and pull, pull, ha, 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 snap, and boom, blah, 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 wave, ga-da-ga, hoom, and snake, and stop, wave, and clap, switch, open, 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 open. Then you go chest and up, down, back, back and head, down, snake, and open and pride, and sorry, click, click, head, boom, and then drop in, boom, 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 boom. I know it's like a short combo. This took me like half an hour to just kind of throw together. So it shouldn't be too long, but it's a fun like hour activity if you want to do it and video it. Yeah, so I will post a link for you to watch the other video to me dancing to the music. And I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Happy dancing, goodbye.